There's money in this world to be sleeping on someone's couch is a crazy bar though.
It's the truth though.
Niggas sleep on couches.
But
you gotta imagine the niggas hearing that shit like, damn.
But see, the truth in that bar was that it's genuinely way too much money in the world for niggas.
Not that simple.
But it is. It's just depending on how you look at it, you know. And then I have this conversation with people all the time. It's all about your mind, bro. And I don't want to get deep and get all fake deep.
I don't get fake deep, but it's saying too much money in this world for somebody to be broke is like saying there's too many people alive for niggas to be dead.
No, it's like saying there's too much food in the world for people to be hungry. That's what it's like saying, right? It's like saying, nigga, you could just go eat.